Hi guys, welcome viewers everywhere. In this preview clip, let's explore simple guide to fraction addition and subtraction. Let's dive into today's fun. We have these two fractions, 4 over 7 and 9 over 8, and we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom, so we have 4 times 8, which is equal to 32. Multiply the first bottom times the second top, so we have 7 times 9, which is equal to 63. Now just add those two numbers, so we have 32 plus 63, which is equal to 95. Multiply the two denominators, so we have 7 times 8, which is equal to 56. And that is all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.